Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to indent in Notion since the tab key is not working anymore. So as you notice, the tab key in Notion is not working anymore, so when I have a text I cannot use tab. I am now clicking tab and it is not indenting. So I will show you how to work around this. Type here simply bulleted list. And now select your text and press Command X. Now get your cursor in the bulleted list and type Command V. This will paste your text right here. Now simply place your cursor at the beginning of your text and type tab right here. Now tap backspace, and as you can see, your text is indented right now. It is really this simple. You can go back and forth and indent your text. You just have to use this little workaround. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.